Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a multiple picture-in-picture in the same clip on your iPad. So as you can see, I have my first picture-in-picture set up, but now I need to put two more there for my suggestion and my what next box. If you try, you'll get an error message saying an overlay already exists. Okay, no problem. You simply back out of that project that you're working on, click the export icon in the middle, press save video. So you're going to want to export as 720 or 1080, but for tutorial purposes and to save space, I'm going to export as 360. So it's exporting now. So now it's saved to the library. You can press OK. And you could create a new movie. And then open the project that you just created or that you just saved to your library. And then you could see that you have space to add another one on top. So I'm just going to do it again. So you could do that as many times as you want, as you need, in order to get your multiple picture-in-picture. If you found this information useful, please like, comment, and share. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure the bell is turned on so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.